Okay, I'm on p80 of the Go Math homework. I used p80 because the front p79, I've gone over many examples in the previous videos, so you should be able to do those. However, of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Please raise your hand. I can come and we can look at it some more. Okay, number one, Randy's school requires that there are 2 adult chaperones for every 18 students. So that's a ratio of 2 to 18. When the students go on a field trip to the museum, if there are 99 students going to the museum, how many adult chaperones are needed? So 99 students. So we need to find a unit rate, okay? Because you're not going to find anything that you can multiply 18 by to get exactly 99. So we need to find that unit rate. So 2 over 18, and we need to get to 1. So 1 to 9. So to get from 9 to 99, I have to multiply by 11. So I multiply the top by 11 as well. So that's going to be 11 chaperones for those 99 students. Okay, number 2. Landry's neighbor pledged $5 for every 2 miles he swims. So that's $5 to 2 miles. If Landry swims 3 miles, remember miles on bottom, dollars on top, how much money will his neighbor donate? Okay, so again, we need to find a unit rate first. So I take that fraction and I want to get my unit rate. Okay, so you're going to divide by 2, and I will let you finish this problem out on your own. I've kind of set it up. Once you have this unit rate, then you're going to find the unit rate compared to this value and multiply by 3. So whatever you get here, you're going to multiply by 3 to get this final answer. Okay, so you got to find 5 divided by 2 to get this number, and then you're going to take this number, plug it in here, and multiply that by 3 to get your final answer. All right, number 3, describe a situation that could be represented by -8. Well, we're in football season, so if a quarterback gets sacked and loses 8 yards, that would be a representative of -8 yards. So you can use that example, or you can use another example of your own. Okay, the next one, what are the coordinates of point G? So again, when we write coordinates, we have an x value and a y value separated by a comma. We always start with the x. X goes left to right. Y goes up and down. Remember, y in the sky. So we start at the origin, 0, 0, right where the x and the y intersect. And we start by going either left or right. In this case, I need to go left. And notice each one of these is not one whole. So it's halfway and then -1, -1.5, -2 is where G is. And then to get from the x-axis up to where G is, I have to go up on the y, but notice one of these blocks isn't one whole, it's half. So I have to go up half, and another, I can write that as a decimal as 0.5, and since it's up, it's positive 0.5. Okay, Gina bought 6 containers of yogurt for $4. How many containers of yogurt could she buy for 12? So I'm just going to make a ratio, 6 containers to $4, and make it equivalent to, I want dollars on the bottom. And now I just need to find my missing value, which is what we've been doing. Number 6, a bottle containing 64 fluid ounces of juice costs $3.84. What is the unit rate? So it is, I would do it this way, $3.84 on top. Well, here, let's do it this way. I'm going to show you this way. Since it listed 64 first, we will do 64 on top, $3.84 on the bottom. Okay, now we have to be consistent. We have fluid ounces on top, so we need fluid ounces on top here, and we have dollars on the bottom, so we need dollars on the bottom for our other fraction. So when we're finding a unit rate, that means we want to know how much it costs for 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so you have to divide 64 by 64 to get 1 fluid ounce, and then you're going to need to divide the dollars by 64 as well, because whatever you divide the top by, you have to divide the bottom by the same thing. So I'll let you go ahead and do that math of $3.84 divided by 64. It's long division. If you need help, don't hesitate, raise your hand. All right, thank you. I'll see you on the next one.